Today's video, I'll be showing you how you can make your own facial serum from scratch using just 5 simple ingredients. Now, this is going to help moisturize your skin and also fight any form of facial pigmentation and discoloration. So if you are someone battling with hyperpigmentation, dark spots, black spots, then this video is definitely for you, right? Also, if you're yet to subscribe to Bloom Skincare, I don't know what you're waiting for. Scroll down below and click on the subscribe button to join the Bloom Skincare family. Turn on your post notification bell so that you can be notified every single time I upload a new video. Let's get into the production of the day. Okay, these are the 5 ingredients we'll be using in the production of our facial serum, and I'm going to be introducing them one after the other. First, we have our distilled water. Now, it's very important to use distilled water in this formulation because you're using it on the face. If you do not have distilled water, you can use your rose water. That can also be applicable. Next, we have our niacinamide powder. This is going to be our active powder in this formulation. Up next, we have our xanthan gum. Xanthan gum is going to help with thickening this solution. Okay, so that's why we are using it here as a thickener. Also, aside our xanthan gum, we have our vegetable glycerin. This is going to act as a humectant to supply you all the moisture you need on your face. And finally, last but definitely not the least in any way, we have our Jamal Plus. This is going to act as our preservative to make sure that our product lasts as long as possible. So let's get right into it. Let's get right into the nitty-gritty of it all. First off, we'll be needing our distilled water or rose water depending on what you have. Into it, we'll be adding our niacinamide powder. Okay, so I want to make something very clear to you. Niacinamide powder is a water soluble powder. You can see the powder directly at the bottom of the container, but once you stir properly, niacinamide powder dissolves completely in water. It doesn't leave any cloudiness. It dissolves completely and your water still remains very transparent. This is how you know that you've purchased original niacinamide powder. Now, niacinamide here is being used to target pigmentation, dark spots, brown spots, and any form of hyperpigmentation on your face. Next, we'll be working with our xanthan gum. All right. Now, the thing about xanthan gum is it isn't water soluble. So what that means is that we have to first off dissolve our xanthan gum using glycerin. Okay, so we just add glycerin straight into the xanthan gum, and then we give it a good whisk. So I really want you to see how it's going to turn out. It's going to turn out looking like a slurry of some sort. So you're just going to keep whisking until everything breaks down and it turns into a slurry or a syrup-like texture. So this is what is going to actually thicken up your product a bit. Make sure it's dissolved properly, because if you add xanthan gum directly into water, you're going to have a very, very big problem dissolving it. So you can see our slurry has formed. Now what we need to do is to turn this slurry into our distilled water. So make sure you don't waste anything. Make sure everything goes into the water, because it's what is going to thicken it up eventually. After we are done stirring, we'll be going in with our next and final ingredient, and that is our preservative. We'll be using Gemal Plus because this is a broad spectrum preservative. You can use it in your water-based formulations and you can use it in your oil-based formulation. So we'll be adding this into our face serum. Okay, now once we add it in, we are just going to again stir properly to make sure it's all combined together, and just like that we're done making our serum. So guys, if you're interested in learning how to make effective and beautiful simple skincare products like this, then you can contact us via the number on your screen. Our ultra whitening skincare training is currently ongoing. All right, so register so you can learn how to make your ultra whitening sets, soaps, creams, scrubs, and the rest of them. 2023 is your year to become your own business owner, so take advantage of this particular training and invest in yourself, invest in your future. It's something you definitely will not regret. If you already have skincare knowledge but your products are not effective, your products are not active, you can also register for this class, all right, to upgrade your skincare knowledge. So if you're interested, just contact us via the WhatsApp number on your screen. We will make it worth your while. So all I've done here is just to transfer my serum into an amber bottle. You can apply this on your face morning and night. Do not forget to like and share this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Also turn on your post notification bell. See you in my next video.